Stopgap 700 Superflex is a fast-drying, fibre-reinforced, self-leveling smoothing underlayment designed to provide some flexibility when used over plywood, sand, cement, concrete and steel subfloors. Worn or uneven floorboards can be replaced or levelled with the appropriate Stopgap smoothing underlayment before covering with 6mm minimum flooring-grade plywood. Sheets should be positioned with joints staggered and screw-fixed at 100mm perimeter and 150mm centres. First, prime the absorbent surface with Stopgap P131 General Purpose Primer. Dilute with 4 parts of water and stir until thoroughly dispersed. Then apply with a paint roller and allow to dry thoroughly before proceeding with the installation. Pour 5 litres of clean water into a Stopgap mixing bucket and gradually add the 20kg bag of powder, whilst stirring with a power whisk fitted in an electric drill until a smooth, creamy and lump-free consistency is achieved. Pour the mix onto the primed subfloor and allow to flow to attain a smooth finish. Minimal work with a trowel is required. Stopgap 700 Superflex has a long working time, 20 to 30 minutes, and being protein-free, it's suitable for use in biologically sensitive areas and is DNV approved for marine use. Use a spiked roller to eliminate trapped air and smooth out flow lines to give a more uniform appearance. Stopgap 700 Superflex is based on the latest advances in cement and polymer technology, enabling fast-track subfloor preparation prior to the installation of new floor coverings. Due to its fast-drying technology, it is ready to receive most floor coverings in as little as 3 hours. It is quick drying with a walk-on time of approximately 60 minutes at 20 degrees centigrade.